Unlocking the phrase, answer. Hello, wonderful language learners. Today, we're diving into the simple yet multifaceted phrase, answer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, when to use it, and how to apply it in various contexts. Answer primarily serves two functions in English, as a noun and as a verb. 1. Noun. An answer is a reply to a question or a solution to a problem. 2. E.g., what's the answer to the math problem? 3. Verb. To answer means to respond to a question or a statement, either by speaking, writing, or in some other manner. 4. E.g., she will answer the phone. While the basic meaning of answer is straightforward, its usage can change depending on the context. 1. In exams, here, it implies solutions or responses to specific questions. 2. E.g., I don't know the answer to question 5. 3. Communication. This pertains to replies in dialogues or discussions. 4. E.g., he didn't answer my call. 5. Problem solving. In such cases, it signifies a solution. 6. E.g., we're still looking for an answer to this issue. 1. Answer back. This usually means to respond rudely or with an argument. 2. E.g., it's not polite to answer back when you're being scolded. 3. Answer for, to be responsible for something. 4. E.g., he will have to answer for his actions. 5. Without a doubt, answer. A phrase indicating certainty. 6. E.g., she's the best chef here, without a doubt. And there we have it. The phrase, answer, in English, while straightforward, can be used in various contexts and situations. Remember, mastering a language isn't just about knowing the words but understanding their nuances in different scenarios. I hope this video helps shed light on the phrase, answer, for you. Keep learning and stay curious.